Green screen have been used a lot in the photography industry and filming industry to remove the background from an image so that you can use a different background that probably you don't have the time in shooting. So here I'm going to show how you can remove a green screen background from an image. So what you're going to do, select the image that you want to remove the background, and then go to select color range, and this is the place that we're mostly going to use. In the color range, we're going to remove the green color, so I'm going to the select preview and then choose gray scale, and this will make the changes that I'm doing in the real image. So select the eyedropper with an addition sign and then click anywhere in the background. So you'll find that the background should be black and the image itself should be white. So continue clicking in the background until the background is completely black and the foreground is white. So this will make sure that anything that is in white is the one that is left out and the black part is going to be keyed out. So play around with the fuzziness to make sure that but you just don't want to add a lot of fuzziness, because the image is going to be chipped into the background, so meaning that the image is going to be keyed out. So just add the fuzziness degrees until you're satisfied with the settings. So when you're good with that, you go back to the you click back to the image and then go to the selection preview and then choose none to make the image green again. So and then when you're done, you just press OK to save the changes. So when you look at this image of mine, the image itself has been selected. So if yours is selecting the background, like for example here, you just have to press the Ctrl+Shift+T, and it is going to select the image, not the background, so that when you mask out, it's not going to remove the image, it's going to remove the background itself. So go down here and then click the add a mask, and you see that the green has been removed, and when you look at this, the green has been removed and the image itself is back there. So it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the background and then add some little blurriness to it so that it can look realistic a little bit. So go to I'm going to add a Gaussian blur so that it can look realistic. That's it, guys. That's how you can remove a green screen, or that's how you can chroma key in Photoshop. If you have any question pertaining this video, don't forget to leave down comments below, and if you're new here, just subscribe and hit that notification button, and I'll see you next time.